We have arranged with the Red Cross team. We are setting up a tent here at the mortuary and at the casualty where the relatives can come and identify their loved ones. Treatments have been going on. Most of the patients have been stabilized, and our teams have really worked well. They've coordinated with our emergency ambulance service evacuation. So most of the patients are now stable. Those who had soft tissue injury have been released to go home. Their relatives have come for them. We have now the other critical patients have been admitted, and currently relatives are coming streaming in to try and identify their loved ones.
Tunajua uchungu walio nao kwa sababu kupoteza watu kama hao ni pigo kubwa, sio kwa wale wameadhiriwa peke yao bali kwa Kenya mzima. Kwa niaba ya County Assembly ya Narok, nataka tu niseme poleni na vile vile niulize madereva wawe waangalifu sana hasa wakati huu wa mvua, kwa sababu barabara wakati huu kila mahali ni hatari.